Take a look at the 2015 F-350 Superduty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Superduty, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, leather package. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.